flash flood warning for north central Clark County in southern Nevada until 9:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Coyote Springs. Nearly 1 inch of rain has fallen in 15 minutes at Elbow Canyon. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard,
What?
flash flooding.
I don't know. Hold on.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Intact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Senior 168-mile marker 21 in Coyote Springs. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, northeastern Clark County in southern Nevada until 8:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 8:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 7:10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 17 miles south of Senior 168-mile marker 21 or 19 miles north of the Motor Speedway, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs and trees. Locations in Texas include Henderson, North Las Vegas, Boulder City, Las Vegas State, Lake Las Vegas, Nellis Air Force Base, East Las Vegas, Sam Boyd Stadium, the Motor Speedway, Boulder Beach Campground, Las Vegas Bay Campground, Hilton Bay, Hoover Dam, Hilton Bay Campground, Sunrise Mountain, and Frenchman Mountain. This includes Interstate 15 in Nevada between mile marker 60 and 79. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Keep on or nearly beneath. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from apparent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.
Alright, so I'm back in my home city born and raised in for most of my life. And how we happen to be back here just in time for a tropical system to be giving us some alert-worthy thunderstorms. So you can see there's some developing south of us right now towards, I'd say, Big Bear, Lake Arrowhead, and they could be moving northward. So we're going to be monitoring any possible alerts that get sent today before I head back to the Las Vegas Valley in Nevada tomorrow. So, yeah.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for central Clark County in southern Nevada until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:04 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain near the Henderson Airport. Between 0.25 and 0.75 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Food, Henderson, Anthem, Southern Highlands, Enterprise, Paradise, Severnville, Sloan, Henderson Executive Airport, and Black Mountain. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Think you know the answer? Call us right now at 877-99-PRIZE.
The rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include 29 Palms Base, Joshua Tree Lake Campground, and Joshua Tree. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Mountain Pass. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Nixon and Evanville Roads and Nixon.
X94.
Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clark County in southern Nevada until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lagandale, Oregon, 7 miles north of Overton, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Overton, Mopa Valley, and Lagandale. This includes Interstate 15 in Nevada between mile markers 91 and 101. For your protection and mobility, carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. PDT, Doppler, County, California. Flood warning for the following counties. At 7:31 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across much of eastern and southern San Bernardino County from Ludlow to the Colorado River. These storms will continue to develop farther south. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lake Havasu City, Regional Caverns, Highland 95 at mile marker 29, Needles, Essex, Amboy, Highway 95 and I-40, Mojave Valley and Black Meadow Landing Campground.
I got hits, I got bucks, I got new paper cuts, I got friends, I got foes, but they all city ducks. Get his turf and get crappy double.
Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 10:30 p.m. PDT. At 7:31 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across much of eastern and southern San Bernardino County from Ludlow to the Colorado River. These storms will continue to develop farther south. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water.
So, my friend KGGI, you decide to relay over 2 hours after the initial warning was issued.
Highway 95 at mile marker 29, Needles, Essex, Amboy, Highway 95 and I-40, Mojave Valley and Black Meadow Landing Campground.
Alright, so see how it's dark out there right now? And this flash flood warning was issued at 7:31, which was 2 hours ago. And the LP1 that this station relays off of has an hour delay, which results in an even longer delay for this station. Wow, interesting.
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. This test is originating from KCXY-FM Apple Valley. This is only a test. If this were a real event, you would stay tuned to this station for further information. This concludes this test of the Riverside San Bernardino County's emergency alert system.